What, baby?
Yes, what's a tiger someplace to eat?
Mmm.
It's very tasty.
It's very tasty. Okay.
And one is in here.
What's in there?
One is in here. One is in here.
One what?
One is in here. One is down here.
Okay.
See?
I do, I see.
I put it into your here.
Oh, I caught it. Hey, so cute. You want them back? Oh, got them both in there.
So you can blow on them.
Okay.
And put them in your hair.
Oh, in my hair? Okay, good.
But not eat them.
No, not eat them. No, no. Wait. Sounds pretty tasty.
Boop it out. Boop it out. I could use this out.
There they go.
First to me.
How do I burp them to you?
Oh. And now for it to me.
Okay. That's right. You put them in your hair? Your super clean hair? Your super clean,
I
not
have my
crazy
hair.
rat nest hair?
I have my hair. So you can eat it out of my
Yeah,
hair.
I'm gonna put them in my pocket.
So you can put them in your pocket.